What's up guys, welcome to part 2 of Project Athena, which is the new custom case build series that I've started here on my channel. So if you guys haven't seen part 1, you can check it out here in the corner. You can also click the little I button, which will take you to the which will show you the playlist and the previous video. And so in that one I kind of went over the CAD design and what I wanted to do with the project. And so I've actually now started making some progress on it. And I'm starting off by building the side compartment, the nice big thick one, which will be where all the hard drives and cable management will go. And so this is also kind of like the main frame of the project. And so I started off with some 40mm by 40mm square tube, and I cut that down to size. And so the dimensions of the actual case will be 40 centimeters long and then 50 centimeters high. So this one's the base, the bottom, and so this one is going to be 40 centimeters long. And here I have my front piece, which I have also cut the front I/O into. And so I have my top one's going to be the power button, second one's reset, and the bottom one is the LED switch. And so I want to be able to turn on the LEDs on and off at night so I can sleep better and so there's not too much light in my room. Also cut out my USB port hole and the power button and the hard drive activity LED. And so I've also got my other pieces here, which I will get now. And here is the back piece, because it doesn't need any cutouts into it because it's backs, and so you never really see it anyway. And so this is the top piece. I don't really know why it says bottom, but it does. And so as you can see, this one I've fully filed it out, made it nice and clean, and this bottom piece I actually haven't done it because I haven't gone around to it because they take a long time to do. And so the reason I actually cut all of these hollow is actually to make it so that I have more space for cable management when I'm finally building this PC, like installing all the hardware such as motherboard and graphics card. So I wanted like the maximum amount of space. And so now I'll show you guys how I fit the pieces together. And so they just install like so. Me and my dad kind of had to do like this complex cut, but basically this allows us to have our piece of, we're going to be able to fit like a 90-degree aluminium angle into here, and so that way we can braze it in, and so I'll be supporting our plexiglass panels, which I talked about in the first video. And so this is going to be my first attempt at brazing, so it'll be quite interesting to see how it turns out. I hope it turns out well, but yeah, wish me luck guys. So I'm going to stop talking now and I'm going to get down to the garage and start brazing, so I'll see you guys after this. Okay guys, well the brazing turned out amazing. It looks way better than I expected, and yeah, I wasn't expecting to get this good on my first attempt at brazing. Here you can see some footage that I took of the welds. So me and my dad also found that it's a lot cheaper to use two of these smaller, cheaper torches that we got from like a Korean market than the big red one that you see right next to it. And so the important thing when aluminium brazing is to remove the oxide, and so that's why you see these steel brushes here. Okay guys, another thing I didn't mention is that I actually cut slits into the back panel, and I'll explain that later in another video, but that's all for now guys. NMRCI signing out.